Hello students, this is a Maths Worksheet 7, chapter number 1, Knowing Our Numbers. Dear students, you all know that COVID spread all over the world, so you follow COVID appropriate behavior. So you wear mask, follow physical distancing and maintain hand hygiene.
Now students, here we will do a revision of chapter number 1, Knowing Our Numbers. And here we take first some examples related to place values of the numbers in Indian number system and international number system. Now students, here the first question related to place values of numbers. Like write the following numbers in standard form, word form and expanded form in the Indian number system and international number system. So here we write the number in both system, Indian number system and international number system. Here first we take Indian number system here. Now students, here first we write this number here 405045. Now here we write the places of these numbers like ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. And you all know that in Indian number system after lakh we count lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Okay, so here first we write the standard form of this number. Now here we write standard form of the number. So you all know that how we write the standard form of the number. So here we use comma and leave space between the periods, between the different periods here. So here 4045 mean ones, tens and 100 in a ones period. So here we separate this period by using comma here with the same, and we separate this period with the thousand period. Now and after that we separate thousand period from the lakh period, and here we use comma here. So here we write this number in standard form 4 comma then 05 comma 045. So here we write the standard form of this number by using comma, and we also write this number in standard form by using and leaving space here, and leave space between these two periods here. Then we write 05 and 045. So here there are two methods to write a standard form of the number. Now we write the expanded form of the number. Expanded form. So how we write the expanded form of the number? So here we multiply and start from the left hand side, and we multiply the face value of the number by their places. So here 4 multiply by 1 lakh. Okay, so 4 multiply by 1 lakh, because 4 in a lakh place. Now we use plus symbol here. Then 0 in a thousand place. So when we multiply any digit or any number by 0, then we get product 0. So here we write 0 here. Now 5 in a thousand place. So here 5 multiply by 1000 plus, then 0 multiply by 100, then we get 0 here. 4 multiply by 10, because 4 in a tens place. 5 in a ones place, so here 5 multiply by 1. Okay students, so here we use this method and we write the expanded form of the number in Indian number system. Now we write the word form of this number. Write the word form of this number. So here we read out this number according to their places. Like 4 in a lakh place, so here we read this number as 4 lakh 5045. So here we write the word form of this number, 4,05,045. Okay students, so this is a method. We write a standard form, expanded form and a word form of the number in Indian number system. Now we write the standard form, word form and expanded form of the number in international number system. International number system. Okay students, now first we write this number here, 405045. Now first we write the places of this number. First we write the places of this number in international number system. So here we write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So now here we write the standard form of this number. And you all know that when we write a standard form of the number, so here we use comma and leave space and separate the different periods. So here we separate ones period from the thousand period by using comma here. So here we write this number as 405, comma 045. Okay students, here we make a set of 3 digits. 3 digits in a ones period, 3 digits in a thousand period and 3 digits in a million period and so on. Now we write the expanded form. Expanded form of the number. So now here we write the numbers and the digits according to their places. So 4 in a 100,000 place. So here 4 multiply by 100,000. Now 0 in a 10,000 place, and when we multiply 0 by any digit or any number, then we get product 0. Now 5 in a 1,000 place, so here 5 multiply by 1,000. Now again 0, so here we get 0 here. Now 4 multiply by 10, because 4 in a tens place. Now 5 in a ones place, so here 5 multiply by 1. So here we use this method. We write the expanded form of the number. Now we write the word form. The word form of the number. So here first we read out this number according to their places. So here we read out this number as, we read this number according to their periods, like 405,045. So the word form of this number, 400 5,045. Okay students, now here we take the next number, 513,6252. in Indian number system. So first we write this number here, 5136252. Now we write the places like ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. First we write the standard form. Standard form of this number. So here we use comma and leaving space and separate periods here. Like here we separate ones period. So ones, tens, 100 are in the ones period. So here we use comma here. Then we separate 1000 period from the lakh period. So here we use comma here. So we write this number by using comma, like 51 comma 36 comma 252, and we also write this number by leaving space. So here 5136252. Okay students, now we write the expanded form of this number. Expanded form. Now here we write this number according to their places, and we multiply the face value of the number by their places. So 5 in a 10 lakh place, so here we multiply 5 by 10 lakh, and 1 in a lakh place, so here we multiply 1 by 1 lakh. 3 in a 10,000 place, so here 3 multiply by 10,000. 6 in a 1,000 place, so here 6 multiply by 1,000. 2 in a 100 place, so here 2 multiply by 100. 5 in a tens place, so here 5 multiply by 10. 2 in a ones place, so here 2 multiply by 1. Now we write the word form of the number. So first we read out this number according to their places. 51,36,252. So here we write 51 lakh 36,000 200 52. Okay students, now we write this number in international number system. Now international number system. Now first we write this number here, 51,362,52. Now we write the places of these numbers in international number system: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Now we write the standard form of this number. So here we separate the different periods by using comma here. So here we separate ones period by using comma here, and separate from the 1,000 period, and 1,000 period separate from the million period by using comma here. Now we write this number in standard form as 5 comma 136 comma 252, or by leaving space 5, leave space here and separate the other period here and leave space again and 252. Now we write the expanded form of this number. Expanded form. So now here we multiply the face value of the number by their places. So 5 in a million place. So here 5 multiply by 1 million. Now 1 in a 100,000 place. So here 1 multiply by 100,000. Now 3 in a 10,000 place. So here 3 multiply by 10,000. 6 in a 1,000 place. So here 6 multiply by 1,000. 2 in a 100 place. So 2 multiply by 100. 5 in a tens place. So here 5 multiply by 10. And 2 in a ones place. So here 2 multiply by 1. Now we write the word form of this number. Now here we read out this number according to their periods and places. So here 5 in a million place. So here 5 million, and we read this 1000 period 136,252. So here we write 5 million 100 36,252. Now here we compare the number and find which is greater. So there are two numbers are given here, and these numbers are in the Indian number system. So first we write the places of these numbers: 24 comma 37 comma 58 comma 923. Now the other number 6 comma 47 comma 89 comma 235. Now here we write the places of these numbers: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. The second number ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So here first we check the places. Here the first number having more places as compared to the second number. Means we also check the total digits here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 digits. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there are 9 digits. So the number having more digits as compared to the other number. So the number is greater as compared to other numbers. So here we write 24 comma 37 comma 58 comma 923, and we read out this number as 24 crore 37 lakh 58,923 is greater as compared to 6 crore 47 lakh 89,235. 6 crore 47 lakh 89,235. Now here we take the another example, and here we compare these two numbers and start from left hand side. First we count the total digits here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number of digits are same here. Now we check the digit from left hand side. So here 5 and here is 9. So 5 is smaller as compared to 9. So here we say that 52,394 is smaller as compared to 99,887. Now here I take one question related to word problem. Now the number of sheets of paper available for making notebooks is 75,000 and each sheet makes 8 pages of a notebook. Each notebook contains 200 pages. So how many notebooks can be made from the paper available? Now there are already given each sheet makes 8 pages and therefore 75,000 sheets will make equal to 75,000 multiplied by 8 pages. Now when we multiply 75,000 by 8, so here we take a shortcut method of multiplication. Here we multiply 75 and 8 here. 8 5s are 40, 0, 4 carry here, and 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 4, 60. Now here we put left zeros 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So here we get 6 lakh. So here we say that thus 6 lakh pages are available for making notebooks. Now it is already given that 200 pages make one notebook. 200 pages make one notebook. Therefore 6 lakh pages will make 6 lakh divided by 200. So here we write 6 lakh divided by 200. So here 2 zeros cancel out by 2 zeros and 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. So here we get 3000. Now here we write as a final statement, hence 3000 notebooks can be made from the given sheets of paper. Now here we take the another question. Find the difference between the greatest and least numbers that can be written using the digits 8, 5, 4, 1, 6 each only once. Here we didn't repeat the digits and use only once. Now here first we write the greatest number, and you all know that if you write the greatest number then we write the number in descending order. So here first we write greatest number. So first number here we write 8, then 6, then 5, then 4 and 1. Now we write least number. When we write least number and smallest number, then we write these digits in ascending order. So here first we write 1, then 4, then 5, then 6 and 8. Okay students, now we subtract smallest number from the greatest number. 86, 541. So the greatest number is 86,541 and the least number is 14,568. Now here we take one borrow from here. So here 3 is left here and this number change into 11. Now 11 minus 8, 3. Now here we take one borrow from here. Then here is 13. 13 minus 6, 7. Now here we take one borrow from here. Then it's changed into 14. 14 minus 5, 9. Now 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4, 1 here. Now 8 minus 1, 7. So here we write hence required difference equal to 71,973. Now here we take another question. Estimate the following by rounding off each number to its greatest place. Now here 9 multiply by 795. Now here first we take a round of these numbers, like here 9. If we take a round off of 9 here, so 9 is greater as compared to 5. So here we add 1 with this number. So 9 plus 1, 10. Now here the required place is 100 here and the digit in a 100 place is 7. And on a right hand side of required place is 9 here. And 9 is greater as compared to 5. So here we add 1 with the required place, means 7 plus 1, 8. And other digit replaced by 0. Now we multiply 810. So here we use sort method of multiplication. Now here we multiply 8 and 1. 8 ones are 8. And after that we put total zeros here. 1, 2, 3. So here we get 8,000. So here we say that estimated product of these two numbers is 8,000. Now the next part of this question. 87 multiply by 317. Now here we take first round of these two numbers, 87. So the required place is 10 here and a 10 place 8 is here. Digit 8. And on the right hand side of the required place is 7 here. 7 is greater as compared to 5. So here we increase and add 1 with the required place. Mean 8 plus 1, 9 here and the other digit placed by 0. Now here required place is 100 here and the digit is 3. And on the right hand side of the digit is 1 here and 1 is smaller as compared to 5. So here we write the digit as it is here and the other digits replaced by 0. Now we take a shortcut method of multiplication. Then 9 3s are 27 and now we put total zeros here, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and here we get 27,000. So 27,000 is the estimated product of 87 and 317. Now the next question, write the following in Roman numerals. So here we write 5000 in Roman numerals. So you all know that if a bar is placed over a numeral, so it is multiplied by 1000. So here first we write 5 here. Here we use symbol V to represent 5. And if we place bar on it, then it means 5000, because 5 multiplied by 1000 here. Now if we want to write 50,000, so here first we write 50 here, and the symbol L represent 250, and here we place bar on this numeral, then it represent 50,000. Now here we want to write 72 in Roman numeral. Now here we make a two part of this question, 70 and 2, means 70 plus 2, and here 70 also distribute in two parts, 50 plus 20 plus 2. Now 50 mean L, 20 2 time x, and 2 mean 2 time I. Then we write 72 by using these symbols L, X, X, I. So here the Roman numeral for 72 is L, X, X, I. Now D part. Here we write 1109. Now here first we separate 1000 plus 109. Now here we again separate 100 from 109, then 100 plus 9. So here we represent 1000 by using symbol M, and for 100 we use here C, and for 9 I and X. So here we write MCIX. So the Roman numeral for 1109 is MCIX.
Now student, in question number 2, I give one activity to you. Write the age of your any 5 family members in Roman numeral and find the total sum of all 5 family members' age in Roman numeral. So you write ages of 5 family members in Roman numeral, and you also find the total sum of all family members in Roman numeral. Thank you.